Hi, I'm Hattie Lopez with Valley Real Estate, and I'd like to introduce you to a really special property right here in Newcastle, Colorado. Welcome to River Park. Right here at River Park, you've got everything you need, just steps from your front door. There's walking trails along the Colorado River, a beautiful park, a soccer field, and tons of open space. And the best part? The property manager takes care of all the exterior maintenance so you can just enjoy it. Come on in, let's have a look. This is a beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. Perfect for a first-time home buyer or an investment property or anyone looking for a low-maintenance primary residence. You've got a functional layout, clean finishes, and everything you need. And check this out, mountains right out your balcony. Whether you're looking for convenience, easy maintenance, or a smart investment in a great location, this is it. If you'd like to learn more about 410 Riverview Drive, Unit 303 here in Newcastle, Colorado, reach out to me. I'm Hattie Lopez with Valley Real Estate. Let's find you a home.